guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day today. And again, you will see this outfit in my Sephora Play unboxing. I had both boxes in, just wanted to get both videos up. So, sorry about the same look. I did, however, pull my hair up, so there's a difference there. But today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Wal-mart Beauty Box. This is a seasonal box. It costs you $5 a quarter, so it's $20 total for a whole year for this box. I very much like getting this box just for the simple fact that I do shop at Walmart, and some of the things I get in here I've never looked at or seen, so sometimes it's exciting to see what they send us. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like, and you throw your stuff on the floor. You have a little card. Inside is always covered in tissue paper and then your products. So we're going to uncover the tissue paper and just see what's in here. And this is what it looks like. And it says, "Hello Sunshine, rate and review this season's products at Walmart.com. Hashtag Wal-mart Beauty Box. Enter to win a $100 gift card." That's always in there. But I'm guessing that Hello Sunshine is our theme. So now I'm not sure if this is the summer box or not. I never know which box this is. And it doesn't really tell us either. So we're just going to go ahead and get in here and see what all we got. Most of the items come with a pamphlet. So in here we have the Bic Soleil Sensitive 3 flexible blades comfort shield, helps protect skin from nicks and cuts. And this is what that looks like. So it's one razor, soothing moisture strip enhanced with aloe vera. I don't really use female razors. I have a Mach 3 that I love. It is my tried and true. I've tried other razors and I don't care for how they perform. My Mach 3 does everything I want it to, and I don't cut myself up. But I will give this a try and see what it's all about. So there we go, and you do get a little pamphlet that goes along with it to tell you. The next thing in here is by Biore. Okay. This is a Biore Free Your Pores Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. Remove 2 times more deep pore clogs, and there's 1 nose strip. So I have used these before. And they're alright. They do exactly what they say. It's the #1 pore strip brand. Instantly unclogs and purifies pores for the deepest clean, to help eliminate blackheads. Designed to bind to blackheads, not to skin. Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips work like a magnet to safely and effectively bind to remove dirt, oil, and even stubborn blackheads. Proof you can see on the strip. It may be disgusting, but it's also oddly satisfying. With continued use, visibly reduce the size of your pores. So it is true. Once you pull this off your nose, you can see all the disgustingness that was in your face. But they do sell them in a box of 6, as you can see right there. So I will definitely try that out. I do like Biore, and I have tried their products before. Then we have a purifying black charcoal mask, hydration and moisture. Green tea extract, green caviar extract, 15 to 20 minutes of relaxation, charcoal black fiber sheet. And this is what that looks like, and it's by Soe. We have gotten masks from this brand before, so I love a good mask, so I'm not complaining there. Then we have Blistex 5-star lip protection. And that is what that looks like. Take your lips from blah to Blistex. There are many different ones. This is the 5-star lip protection. There's a deep renewal, a lip vibrance, and a conditioning lip serum. Also by Blistex. Holds in moisture in dry air, soothes cold chapped lips, forms a wind-resistant moisture shield, rehydrates heat-stressed lips, and protects from the sun. It does have a broad spectrum SPF of 30, and it is water resistant. So that's pretty cool. Y'all know that I don't use a whole lot of lip balms, but this one sounds pretty neat. And it is a full-size product, so that is one good thing about this box. You do usually receive 1 to 2 full-size products. And that is what that looks like outside of the box. It is just a lip balm. It does have a nice fragrance to it for a lip balm. And I'm betting it's the sunscreen that I'm smelling. So, pretty cool. The next thing we have is by Survey. This is a moisturizing cream. Moisturizes, restores, and maintains protective skin barrier for normal to dry skin. So there is that. I've never used anything by this brand, so that will be something new to use. And then we have another item from them. And this is the Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. Cleans and softens without drying. And there is that. So we got the mask. Oh, the mask, the pore strip, the moisturizing cream, the face wash, the razor, and a full-size lip balm. I need more hands. All of these items came in here for $5. You can go to Walmart and purchase this for $5. So that is one of the good things I like about this box. Even though I never know when it's coming. I never know what season the box is in. But as far as for the box, I do like the box. And for $5, why not check it out? I mean, we spend $5 on a donut and a cup of coffee, if not more. Unless you're a bougie one like me, and then you spend $8 on a cup of coffee. So, you know, for $5, all you're really paying for is the shipping. Try it out. Wal-mart Beauty Box. It's $2 less than the Target Beauty Box. And I very much like this box. It's interesting to see what they send. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like or dislike, whichever you prefer. Think about subscribing. I would love to have you. We are growing every day. I'm putting out new content. Can't think, but I am putting out new content. I have done a couple of lives. I am fixing to do a collaboration that I'm super excited about. So come on back and check everything out. The giveaway winner will be announced here shortly. I know everybody's dying to find out who won that. And that video will take place here very soon. So, hope you're having a great day. Hope that your week is going good for you. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.